Morning everyone, my name is Sai Pramod and I am studying in 7th grade. So, today I am going to show you what is physical change and what is chemical change. So first, every day we see different changes like alternate changing of day, night and changing of the season and ice melting into water and cooking of food. Changes are observed and classified into two types. One is physical change and another one is chemical change. In physical change, there are no new substances formed. Substances does not go in change of chemical composition but only in shape, size and state of matter. As you can see, there are many physical changes that are reversible. So I will show you an example. So this is a paper and I will tear it into parts. So I have teared this paper into parts, several parts. As you can see, this paper is different from this paper but only in shape and size. But the chemical composition contained in both the papers are same. So this is called physical change. But in chemical change, the substances undergo change in its chemical composition, resulting in the formation of new substance. Many chemical changes are not reversible. So I will show you an example. So this is a paper and I am going to burn it now. As you can see, the paper is burning slowly. And smoke is released due to the fire. Then the new substance is formed called ash. The ash is a thin powder in color of grey or black. So here, as you can see, this paper is very different from this paper in both shape, size